recital. Radhe Radhe Amukta.
Radhe Radhe. Gopika Govinda Govinda Sakulara Ki Jai. Gu 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 Smarana Karo. Gu Charagabala Ke Jaba Karo. Sri Guru Baba Guru Seva Garo. Jaya Guru Bhajana Karo. Gu 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 Smalala Karo. Guru Charagabala Ke Jaba Karo. Krishna Rama Govinda Narayana. Ramakrishna Govinda Narayana. Nanda Nandana Hari Narayana. Avalita Chora Hari Narayana. Narayana Hari Narayana. Narayana Hari Narayana. Narayana Hari Narayana. Narayana Hari Narayana. Sita Pate Rama. Sita Pate Rama. Syamala Komala Rama. Veta Kamaluta Vimarachita. Pata Machapiya Rama. Vai Rama. Jai Jai Ram Sita Ram. 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 Rama Rama Lai Rama Rama Lai Rama Rama Lai Govinda. Rama Rama Lai Rama Rama Lai Rama Rama Lai Govinda. Gajaramala Sangajarala Pangajanayala Govinda. Gajaramala Sangajarala Padmavati Govinda. Karage Vasade Lakshmi. Karamatya Saraswati. Karaburya Tukom Saha Karade Karadarshana. Gange Chaharune Ule Chaiva Godavari Saraswati. Nambade Kavali Jalismi Santitim Guru. Dalaye Sudalakarat Sataika Priyadarshana. Vaikhyala Nashakam Deva Sakubaladaya. Devaram Shodaya Lepaya Tuabalok Rokata Shata Vakana Pansha Anula Anuba Salvada Pade. Babamurari Surachita Linga. Limbara Pasita Shopita Linga. Charmachatuka Vilashakalinga. Tat Pranamami Sada Shivalinga. Deva Muni Pravarachita Linga. Kamalahara Garuna Karalinga. Kamala Daspa Vilash Alalinga. Tat Pranamami Sada Shivalinga. Sarva Sukanda Sule Pitalinga Bhuttiviya Dalakara Liga Sita Sura Sura Vandita Liga Pranamami Sadashivalinga. Mangalaka Mahabali-bhusita-linga. Palipati-vechita-shobhita-linga. Shasya Abhilashi-halalinga. Pranamami Sadashivalinga. Kalaka Mahabali-bhusita-linga. Palipati-vechita-shobhita-linga. Sanchita Baba Vimashalaling That Pranama Sada Shivali Devakarajita Sevita Linga Pavai Bhakti Devachalinga Vilakara Koti Barakaralinga That Pranama Sada Shivalinga Ashtatalopariveshtitalika Savasamu Savakaralika Ashtatai Navila Ashtalika Pranamami Sadashivalika Suravu Suravarabujitalika Suravarabu Sadachitalika Bakalinga That Pranamami Sada Shivalinga Lingashika Vilabunya Yapate Shiva Sandido Shivaloka Mama Oti Shivale Savamot Mate Gopika Shivasam Govinda Govinda Sakura Marachiki Jai.
Amukta, wow. You chanted all the slokas, all the bhajans, Lingashtakam. These are all very little kids. In Tamil, they say they still have that, the Maralai soul. It's so sweet to hear in your voice, that it's so sweet. It's unimaginable how this young age you all, learn and then reciting, practicing it. Good job. I know your mom supports you a lot. Thank you, Mom. And thank you, Amukta, for all your efforts in practicing and presenting it today. It's an awesome recital. Keep it up. Okay, good job. Radhe Radhe, Divyaji.
Radhe Radhe, Amukta. That was so amazing. You also dressed up so nicely. I love your top. And yeah, thank you so much to Amukta's mom as well. I know she's there with her every class. She really supports her and she practices and learns with her. Amukta has been doing so well every single class. She's also very excited. She wants to go first. She wants to recite. I really appreciate your dedication to learning. Your pronunciation is also so good. Please, I want to see you. I want to continue seeing you in my classes. Radhe Radhe, Amukta. Awesome job. Radhe Radhe.
Radhe Radhe. Yes, definitely. Just if you start at this age, I'm so happy in your cute little voice to listen to all these even bhajans. Attempting these itself is tough. These are all very tough slokas, not easy, but I'm so happy to see that at this age, and it's not possible without parent support and teacher support. So you're all blessed to participate and listen to this. Thank you. Keep it up. Here it is, Amukta. Yeah, Amukta. I'm trying to see if I can pronounce your full name. Bear with me if I make any mistakes. Amukta Malyada Tattipelli. I hope I said it right. For the successful completion of Kopakutiram program presented to you. Keep it up.
Thank you, Hamsaji. Thank you, Divyaji. And